Ooh, yeah, check it out. That's a project and a half for sure. As you can see, man, every type of animal been through here. That's for damn sure. Filthy filth. Alright, let's get on it. What do you think, Dave?
2 hours.
3 hours? 4 hours? Talk to me, man.
2 hours.
Get up in there. Ooh. Couple spots. Sometimes you could just kind of spray and just leave it on there for a while, look, and come back to that spot so it breaks down by the time.
You see on the top there?
Where?
There's like fingerprint marks.
Yeah, I see it. We're gonna get all that right now. After we put the tough stuff, we'll clean off the panel. I'm gonna UV coat it with some Scotch Guard UV 3M.
Okay.
By Meguiar's, right? And they'll add that glossy UV protection. So you like to spray it on here instead of on the dash or on the panel, so it doesn't go all over the windows. So you can see.
And that stuff, once it gets on the windows, you can't get it off?
Now you can get it off, which is why I go through all that hassle. I would just rather just spray it on the towel and then avoid getting any residue or any chemicals on the windows, so you don't have to sit there doing extra labor, you know?
Yeah.
So this is just a quick little fix. Obviously, I'm gonna get more into detail with it off camera, but you can just get a general idea of how the panel will look with the UV coating by Meguiar's on it after you have cleaned it with some APC or multi-purpose cleaner. You know?
Yeah. And what about the corner on the top?
Right here?
Yeah, that crease.
There you go. I'll take a look at it in detail too. So. Loosen them up with the towel. There you go.
They're coming up though.
Yeah, you got it. You're getting them good. I just want her to be super happy, bro.
Sometimes you just gotta stop and pull them out with your finger.
Yeah, if you use a towel, you get a lot more of them done. There's no purpose of you getting it?
Yeah.
Get some leather cleaning going.
Yeah, this one was scheduled as a detail, right?
Yep. There you go. Get that bad boy, hit up the corners first, and then hit the body in the middle. Boom.
Things they will see right away.
Yep.
Be the console when they get in.
The main thing. And the front window.
Yeah.